So I know a little bit about the institute, but regarding my path to come here, I was a non-tenure faculty at University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, and I was looking for tenure track positions in my area of bioprocessing, and I came across the opening here, and which fitted very well with my research plans and future goals. So I applied and was able to come here. We are in an academic institution, so along with research, teaching is equally important. So I have paid good focus on teaching and developed some courses in my expertise which were not existed here. So right now I'm teaching 3 courses. 2 of them are like the basic courses, engineering thermodynamics and introduction to industrial bioprocessing. But one course I developed after coming here was process simulation modeling. And that is a course which kind of gives you more real-hand experience and gives the new skill set to students so they can apply the knowledge they are learning through courses using computer modeling into the real-life problems. There was so much interest from other students for that course that I changed it over the time to first I brought paper engineering students, then chemical engineering, then in fact even from Syracuse University students started taking that course. So now we changed it, and the content as well as the softwares I teach in that course to include both bioprocess engineering and chemical engineering. Conventionally, or when we traditionally think, it comes to the petrochemical industry in our mind, but our chemical engineering at SUNY ESF is what we call green chemical engineering or sustainable chemical engineering. So our focus is not on the conventional chemical engineering, but we are trying to leverage our existing facility, existing knowledge in the bioprocessing, paper engineering area, and plus obviously the advanced chemical engineering, and integrating all those to go towards the sustainable world. Everyone wants to move towards sustainable products, green products, renewable energy with less environmental impact. So we integrate all those factors into our curriculum and make sure the students, when they graduate, so they don't know just the core chemical engineering, but they have a sustainability factor in their mind. My research group focus on, again, coming back to the sustainability theme, but specifically we focus on what we call circular bioeconomy concept, where we look for the waste streams coming from various industrial sectors, and we convert those waste. First, we characterize those waste and see where they can be used, and then we develop the technologies to convert those into high-value products. We do the experimental work a lot in terms of mostly focus on the fermentation side, but we also do a lot of research in the computer modeling to see the feasibility of those technologies which we are developing at lab scale on the commercial scale. Like if we want to build a refinery based on the technology we are developing, what will be the economic matrices, what will be the energy use, what will be the environmental impact of that technology, just through computer simulations, and also to identify what would be the research gaps or what are the hotspots where research should be focused. Interesting thing about ESF I have seen is most of the students, they come with a mindset of that they want to learn sustainability. So somehow sustainability is built in the DNA of this institute, and it doesn't matter they're in chemical engineering or any other department. So that's how we also, keeping that in mind, we designed our curriculum, and we emphasize a lot on sustainability in our curriculum. So whenever I introduce any new concept, I show them that how this concept will help you getting into relevant jobs in the industry. Most of the jobs in our sector, when we see, they allow students from chemical engineering, bioprocess engineering, biotechnology. So this is very interdisciplinary field. Some of them go for the higher studies, obviously, and they continue here or go to other schools. But others have successfully, gotten the jobs into all very diverse industrial sectors. Both students and I share the passion to make a contribution to sustainable futures. They care for environment. They want to contribute to sustainable future of the world, and they want to use their knowledge in the betterment of society.